Well, afternoon everyone. Vinny and I have set up camp here. Two of us in the one spot down the lower campground. Plenty of room. Yeah, got the shower set up and the Oz tent all ready to go. We'll head around the beach shortly, go fishing. High tide's 2 o'clock today. Probably not ideal, but it is what it is. Look at Vinny. Geez, Vinny's got all the gear now. Unbelievable. And over here, Bradley and Deb setting up their Oz tent as well. Should be a good couple of nights out here. All the wind's gone, it's only a slight breeze now. Let's see what happens. See if we can catch something. She's not too deep this time. Yeah, we're out here at Arid. It's Friday night. We're fishing at low tide. The tide's at 2 o'clock and high tide, and now it's going out. Oh, we've got a few more cars coming. There's a few people out here actually. Oh, Vinny reckons he's got a salmon here. He's brand new rod and reel, breaking it in here. Oh mate, first cast. What'd you have on the mullet for bait?
The mullet.
The mullet. You gotta have the mullet, that's the trick here. No, it's a big salmon. Oh, Vinny's on the board with a big salmon. Beautiful. Oh, just opened your first beer here. Jesus, what's going on over here? Fucking hell, Vinny. He's on fire. He's got this new rod and reel. Jesus, Vinny. Another salmon, mate.
Number 2.
They got some power, eh? Oh mate, that's two casts, 2 salmon. Wow. Oh, there's a bit of action here this afternoon, boys. Bradley's got something here. Probably another salmon. Oh, it's got off. Oh, that's a fucking bastard. Oh, what a bummer, it's got off. Oh, shit.
Must have got off when he jumped.
Yeah, we're just watching the sunset go down here and kicking back and, oh, Vinny. Mate, you're on again. Jesus, look at that. Working that rod big time. Got the bag hanging out the mouth. What a for a pommy. I think he's more Aussie than pommy now. Big massive salmon. Fourth one. Wow. New rod and reel. Had to get that bit in. It's not a bad rig either. I tell you what, it's pretty long. Wow, we're just about to cook it. Oh! Oh, Jesus! It's gone off! Oh, man! Oh, that sucks. Oh, jeez.
How old's your life?
He's hard on the gear. We're just heading around a tag and spotted a big goanna there. Oh, what a sensational day. Little Tagan beach. Avoid getting bogged, four-wheel drive only, no camping. Oh, look at this, so awesome. Alright, so the lads are going to do a bit of drone fishing here. We're all ready to go there. Vinny's keen to catch something. 4 salmon he got last night, he had a bit of a haul, he was pretty happy with himself. He got a pretty much a straight on shore breeze, 21 degrees. Not too bad at all. We're just in the camp here, late afternoon, about to head off fishing soon. There we go lads, night 2 out fishing. So there we go, I've just put Brad's line out with a drone, 260 metres. So he's patiently waiting there for a big strike. We're all set up for the next few hours. Got the screen house going. Slight breeze, it's actually not too bad, it's pretty, it's not windy at all. Oh, Vinny turned me back for 5 seconds and he's got one. Looks like a big salmon. Gee, you're putting that new rod to good use, mate. Holy cow. Oh. Big salmon. Vinny's on fire. That's about his 5th one over 2 nights. Strictly bag limit here.
What a hooker.
What a hooker.
Have a look at that.
That's awesome, Vinny.
Look at that, right on the top lip.
I'll zoom in, eh?
Ah!
You be careful, they've been known to get in people's legs. It's like Vinny's caught hooked a salmon here. Yeah, looks like it. We could do with catching something a bit different.
Yeah, too right.
Still, it's better than nothing, mate, eh?
Not a bad size, eh?
Oh well, the tramp camp, I'll start again. What is it, Sunday morning? It's about 7 o'clock, 7:30. Backing up our gear. An old salmon slayer over here. Jeez, he would have slept alright last night. He had a massive night catching salmon. How many did you get, Vinny, all up?
Oh, 7 I think.
7 salmon?
Yeah.
My God.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, lucky you're in peak condition, you can't catch them lightly.
No gummies.
No gummies, just salmon. 2 nights, dead calm. There's Bradley over there, he's getting ready. Yeah, wow. Oh well, let's pack up and head into town, eh? Go watch the rigs up. Righto, there's the exit sign. We're out of here. What is the time? 8:30. Oh well. Another good weekend. Time to head home.